How to cut audio in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad audio editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to cut by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or by using the shortcut CTRL+O. Once your audio file is loaded, use your mouse to select the part of the audio you want to cut by clicking and dragging over the waveform. You can zoom in on the waveform for more precise selection by using the zoom controls or the scroll wheel on your mouse. After selecting the portion of audio to remove, an options menu will appear. Click on the cut option from there. You can also use the shortcut CTRL+X on your keyboard or press the delete key to remove the selected part. Moreover, you can use the cut option represented by the scissor icon available under the home menu. Once you are happy with your edits, save the audio file by clicking on File and then Save As to keep the original intact. And that's it. Now you know how to cut audio in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.